The 2022 Pathfinder is all new from the ground up. Every inch of the vehicle was carefully designed to convey a sense of strength and capability with a strong front face, wide stance, blister fenders and a shorter front overhang versus the previous design. The larger design of the new face of Pathfinder conveys size and strength, which, along with larger tires, gives it an authentic rugged SUV look. Distinctive Nissan signature features are integrated into the new Pathfinder design, such as the V-Motion grille with a 3-slot grille incorporated as an homage to the original Pathfinder, C-shaped headlights and floating roofline. Standard LED headlights include slim upper daytime running lights, and the C-pillar has a structural SUV look that allows use of two-tone paint, a first for Pathfinder. Strong U-shaped highlights fuse the powerful fender blisters together, providing a tough, muscled look. In the rear, the wide aspect LED tail lights are slimmer than the previous design. The boxed-out lift gate returns to the boldness of the first Pathfinder, including the oversized satin chrome Pathfinder name. Even the new aluminium alloy wheel designs have a machined tool-like seriousness to them. The interior of the adventure-ready Pathfinder features refined new materials and a robust, open design. Driver and passengers are greeted with a modern, spacious environment. Among the long list of striking interior touches, a new available 12.3-inch digital dashboard provides the driver with a variety of easy-to-navigate screen options. Complementing the digital dashboard is an available 10.8-inch head-up display. New to the Pathfinder, the head-up display enables the driver to view preferred content such as turn-by-turn directions while staying focused on the road. An available 9.0-inch color touchscreen center display is placed high on the new simplified, intuitive instrument panel, providing easy visibility and accessibility for the driver and front passenger. The all-new Pathfinder is an ideal family adventure vehicle, not just in looks, but in modern capability as well. Every 2022 Pathfinder features a 284 horsepower 3.5-liter direct injection V6 with 259 pound-feet of torque. The engine is matched with an all-new 9-speed automatic transmission, which provides a smooth, strong, direct vehicle response. The all-new transmission consistently delivers the right gear at the right time, helping improve fuel economy and driving comfort. The combination of the proven V6 and all-new 9-speed provides strong acceleration and driver confidence when merging or exiting a turn and minimizes RPM variation on a grade. Pathfinder 4-wheel drive models feature Nissan's all-new intelligent 4-wheel drive with 7-position drive and terrain mode selector. The 4-wheel drive system features direct coupling, which allows torque transfer directly on the clutch pack using oil pressure, allowing for more confident immediate takeoff in low traction situations. Mode selection Standard, Sport, Eco, Snow, Sand, Mud Rut and Tow is displayed as a pop-up notification on the meter cluster.